Are you looking for a quick and easy way to close all of your Safari tabs on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly close all of the tabs open in Safari with just a few simple taps. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Safari web browser and then tap and hold the Tabs button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then simply tap, Close all tabs. And then tap Close all tabs one more time to confirm your action. And now I've closed all the tabs in the Safari web browser. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.